Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just wanted to show you guys really quickly, excuse my messy closet, how I revamped this wig. Like, come on now, this wig, the curls are popping, but when I pulled it out the drawer, it was not popping. So keep watching to see how I brought this wig back to life. Back to life, not back to wife. Maybe a wife one day, not today. But yeah, keep watching so I can show you guys how I brought this wig back to life. See you guys later. Bye. So guys, as you can see, this wig is pretty trash right now. Like, can you tell? That's me leaning in to make sure I'm in frame, but can you tell how matted it is? Like, it's super tangled. I've had this wig sitting in a drawer for months. It is a half wig, but I'm gonna show you guys how I fix this wig literally using a brush and a household product I'm sure you have in your kitchen. So yeah, let's just get started on this hair because it's a mess. So first, you're gonna want to just take your brush. Any brush will do. I'm just using a wet dry brush, and I'm gonna detangle this wig the best I can. And because it is a wet dry brush, I'm not pulling or getting like too much of the hair like coming out, but I'm going in with the wet dry brush. I'm going in with my hands. Like, as you can see, it's like super matted, super knotted up. Like, I'm just gonna clear this out as much as I can dry, because if I try to do this wet, it's gonna turn into dreads. So first, I'm just gonna try to clear this out while the hair is dry and detangle it as much as I can. And if you see me taking the hair out the brush, like, a lot of hair did not come out at all. Like, it wasn't even a ton of hair to come out. So guys, now that we're done detangling for now, I'm going to saturate this wig in some water, and then I'm going to take your favorite kitchen necessity is palm olive. I mean, any dishwashing liquid would probably work. I just use palm olive. I like the way it smells. It's very clean. So what I'm doing is basically, you saw me put the palm olive inside the wig cap, and I did that because I want to make sure my wig cap is super duper clean. Because that's going to be touching your hair, like that's going to be touching your scalp. So you want that to be super clean. And then I'm going to go ahead and do it all over the hair. And I'm literally raking this palm olive all through the hair. I don't know why palm olive works so well, guys, but it does. I'm telling you, the palm olive does the trick. It gets all those dirt and grease and grime and everything, not only off dishes, but off your weave. Like, I'm telling you, it does the trick. So yeah, I'm just raking that through and making sure I get everything super clean, and I'm making sure also that I rinse all the palm olive out. So as you can see, our curls are already starting to come back to life. Now I'm going to take the Tangle Teaser brush, which is literally one of my favorite brushes to make curls defined and poppin', and I'm going to start detangling with that brush. So I'm going to start detangling the half wig with the Tangle Teaser brush. I got mine at Urban Outfitters, but I'm sure you can find it at your local Target, Walgreens, whatever. At this point, you'll see me switch back and forth between the wet dry brush and the Tangle Teaser brush, and that's just because I want to make sure I get every single knot out of this half wig. Like, every single knot. I don't want no issues when I go to install this wig. Like, I don't want no problems. I don't want no smoke. So I'm literally going in with these brushes and trying to detangle and trying to get everything together. I know it looks like I'm going ham on this wig because I am. No, I'm kidding. I'm really not. It's just because the video is sped up, but I'm being a lot more gentle than it looks, and I'm not getting a ton of shedding, which is really nice, and that's why I love using these two brushes in particular. So now I am done detailing this wig, and you can see like it looks so much better. Now here is the wig dried. I actually laid it out on my patio to dry, and then I kind of hung it up in the bathroom a little bit after that. But you can dry your wigs however you choose. Now you see me just going in with a blow dryer a little bit to get just some of the extra wetness off the wig, because you want it to be totally dry when you apply it to your head, because I'm also watching a movie while I do this, but you want the wig to be totally dry when you apply it to your head, because if you apply it wet, it's gonna get like this weird mildew smell, and you really don't want those problems. And this is what the wig looks like after I installed it. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I will see you guys next time. Love you guys. Bye.